Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, so where you can summarize your content very better. So whenever you have generated content from any of the AI tools, or you have taken content from any internet sources, so you have to summarize and rephrase that particular content. So in order to do so, a best tool is available for it. So it will generate your summaries within 3 minutes. So let us go on 3 seconds. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about how to design LNC parameters of a buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation of that converters. And then we are going to connect it with that converter input as PV and wind energy as its sources, that is renewable energy as its sources. And then we are going to incorporate it with the EV charging station, and we are going to analyze the response of the converter. So the main objective of this workshop is to how to design a best converter for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of it using ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that you can see this is summary generator AI. So here you can see this is a summary generator. So summarize any text with one click. So here you can see it will generate accurate summary in 3 seconds. So our summary generator use advances AI technology to break down your long content into quick digestible summaries in just one click. Use it to summarize your articles, academic papers, business reports or any kind of content. So this is all about this summary generator. Here important facts and data is that the text summarizer quickly extracts important information from large text and presents a complex content in engaging chunks. You get the most relevant and crucial data in one click. So next important thing is that you can choose or fix the length of the particular summary. You can customize the length and format of the summary, create a quick content overview for your blog post, or get a detailed summary for your academic research. So like that you can get whatever you want using this summary generator. So here you can see this is the dashboard. So here you can see there are two options are available, paragraph and bullet points. You can select any of them what you can want. So after that you can adjust the length of that particular content, so short, long, medium, so like that. So I have given as a medium. So after that you can copy and paste the content. So in order to do so, I am going to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT I am going to generate a content. For example, explain the machine learning algorithms for power management in grid. So like that you can ask any question you want in 2 paragraph. So like that you can give an input. So AI will start to generate the content for you. So you can copy that content and go to that summary generator. You can paste here. So after that what you can do is, so select medium. So after that click on summarize. So it will take several seconds to generate. Yes, our content is generated. You can see the summarized version of the content is generated. So if you want long content, so you can give you can select the long one. So thereby the content will be very elaborated content. So here you can see this is the elaborated content when compared with the previous one. So like that you can select the content size also using this summary generator. So after that what you can do is you can give to bullet points. So click on bullet points. So after that, so refresh that, or again copy and paste the content. So here paste the content again. So after that click on summarize. So it will take several seconds. The content will be generated in bullet points. So if you want to if you want a short points related with that particular topic, so you can shorten the content using the paragraph option, and then you can select this bullet point and you can get the content in bullet points. So here is an option where you can see download. So you can download this particular content easily. So here it is downloaded as Word file. So here you can see that. So this is how your content will be downloaded. Like that, you can make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper writing, especially whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism. So or if you want to generate or paraphrase your content, or you can analyze you can change the old content into a new one. So you can use this summary generator to generate a better content for you. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing easy and plagiarism free. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see $9.98 per month. It's a monthly plan. So you will get 1 million monthly word limit, access to all languages, advanced editor tool, regular technical support, etc. Next for yearly, so here you can see that $59.95 per year. So it's a 10 million yearly word count. So it is having newest features also. So these are the plans and pricing. Apart from this, you can have other languages also here. So you can select any of the language you want according to your need. So this is all about this summary generator. So thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.